Are you planning to buy a new computer? But you are hesitant what to buy and which computer is best for teachers' demand of work. This video is not about suggesting a specific brand or model of a computer. If you want that kind of video, check the video link in the description box below. This video is focused more on empowering yourself on how to choose the best computer for you as a teacher. But first, let us see the list of what teachers commonly do in a computer. Web browsing, online video meetings, preparing and presenting lessons, evaluate assessments, encode data of students on an eClass record and edit video lessons, uploading and downloading files, watching and listening multimedia files, tons of school reports. With all these activities mentioned, maybe your current computer struggles to handle all your needs. Which leads you now on planning to buy a new one and making sure to accommodate these demands and makes your work efficiently smooth. How would I know if the computer I will buy suits my demands as a teacher? If there is chance you could visit computer stores and browse their demo models, you could immediately see the capability of the computer you will buy and ask more information of the product with the assistance of the salesman. Unfortunately, if you are living in a place under community quarantine, browsing online computer stores would be the best option for you. The problem is, unlike visiting physical stores, you are only looking the device through pictures and videos. Though you still have the product details and reviews, you are not sure how this information affect the capability of the computer you will buy. In that case, let me give you some tips and guide on how to buy a computer by checking its specifications. Laptop or desktop? Decide first which one you prefer. If you have a dedicated workspace at home, you could consider buying a desktop. Otherwise, working flexibly at any place, laptop is the best option. Main specifications. What processor aka CPU should I choose? Based on Department of Education memorandum entitled Minimum Specifications for ICT Equipment, 1.6 GHz is the minimum clock speed. Meaning, you should choose processor higher on that. For Intel, look for i3 8th generation and up. For AMD, Ryzen 3 and up are the best options you have. How many gigabytes of RAM I should have? Minimum of 8 gigabytes is recommended. If you want to know if 4 gigabytes RAM is enough, check my video simulation, the link is in the description box below. What storage device should I have? Go for SSD. 240 gigabytes to 500 gigabytes are great choices. Whatever it takes, just go for SSD and you can never go wrong for choosing it as your primary storage. There is a saying that, once you experience SSD, you will hesitate to go back to HDD. But don't get me wrong, HDD is still best to store large files, less expensive and conserved as your secondary storage. What display should I have? A resolution of 1920 by 1080 is recommended. Other features. For video conference and video recording, consider the following features. Decent and quality webcam. It has Bluetooth and Wisconsin Fi connectivity. Equipped with USB, display, and audio ports. I hope this video helps on buying a computer for teachers. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching and see you soon on the next tutorial.